Good morning, students. Now, today your topic is prevention of spoilage of food. Prevention means to stop the spoilage of food. Now, there are different methods for stop the spoilage of food. Now, first, perishable food items like milk, mutton, fish, and vegetables must be stored in fridge, because you know that at low temperature there is no growth of microorganisms. So these food items will be preserved in refrigerator, that is fridge. Now second, food like spices, you know what are spices which we use in our vegetables, pulses. Cereals, you know that rice, wheat, pulses, etc. And biscuits and snacks that is, you know that kurkure, chips items, mixture, all should be kept in where airtight containers. In airtight containers there will be no contact of air, and you know that air contains moisture, and moisture promotes the growth of microorganisms. Now the moisture, we have to stop the moisture. So if we have to stop the moisture, then we have to stop the contact of air with the food. Then our food items will not be spoiled. Now third, food preservation. Food preservation is the process to stop the spoilage of food. How? By proper treating and handling of food. Now this is the process of treating. Treating means a treatment of food stuff with something to stop the growth of microorganisms. As for example, we treat the pulses with turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder stops to being spoiled by stop the insect. Now we use the insect repellent tablet in wheat, that stops the insect. Now this is the treatment. Now we use the Lakshman Rekha for not coming the ants in the or insect or a cockroach in our food items. Now this is the treatment. So this the process of treating and handling. Handling means what? We handle, how we handle the food. That is, we touch it with moist our hand, or any water like substance, watery things, that is the containers which has moisture. If we use to that container for taking food items, then that will promote the growth of microorganisms. So now food preservation is the process of treating and handling of food items to stop or slow down the spoilage of food. Spoilage by how? By microorganisms. That is, this is caused by microorganisms. So now we have to treat the food items, and we have to handle as like that there is no spoilage of food by microorganisms. This process is called what? Food preservation. Understand? Now food preservation is done by different methods. There are 7 methods are given in your book. That is, first, dehydration. Second, adding sugar and salt. Third, by adding acetic acid. Fourth, by canning and bottling. And fifth, pasteurization. and sixth, refrigeration, and seventh, vacuum packing. First, dehydration. You have acquainted with this word dehydration. That is, you listen it uh, when you are suffering from loose motion. Then doctor said you that you are suffering from dehydration, and water is injected in your body. Now that is the dehydration, that is removal of water from your body takes place. Now and so you have given water electron powder so that the fulfill of water will take place in your body. Now dehydration means what? Removal of water. Now when we remove the water from food items, then that food items will not promote the growth of microorganisms, and then that food is preserved. That is, spoilage is not done by microorganisms. So now you see that onion, cauliflower are dried in sunlight. Then water is removed, and that cauliflower is used throughout the year. Now onion be used throughout the year, and that is not spoiled. Why? Because water is removed. So when water is removed from food items, then what will happen? There is no promotion of growth of microorganisms, and then spoilage of food is stopped. Understand? Now second thing, that by adding sugar and salt. Sugar and salt removes the moisture from the food items. That you say your mother has cooked the jam, pickles. Now in pickles, salt is mixed, then salt removes the moisture, and in jam you see that sugar is added. Now sugar, you take the jam, that is tomato sauce or chili sauce. It is now sauce sauce is prepared by how? By keeping sugar in this and then heating. So now sugar removes the moisture of the substance, then that substance remain preserved throughout the year. Now you see the mango jam. Mango is also used to prepare the jam by adding sugar and heating it. Now there is no changing in the taste of mango. That taste, what is the taste of mango? That is already present. Now by adding sugar and salt, we can preserve the food items by spoilage from microorganisms. Understand? Now third, adding acetic acid. Acetic acid prevents the growth of microorganisms. If any food items is kept in acetic acid, there is no spoilage. That is, there is no growth of microorganisms. Acetic acid does not allow to grow the microorganisms. Now by adding acetic acid, we can prevent the spoilage of food. Now fourth, that is canning and bottling. Canning means what? Cooking food and then sealing it. That is, you see at your home Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash is cooked at first. Chyawanprash is cooked and then it is sealed in the bottle. So keeping in a sterilized bottle is called bottling, and cooking and sealing is called what? Canning. So canning, that is cooking of food and sealing it, is called canning. Bottling comes in this process, that is first food is cooked and then it is placed in what? Bottle, and that bottle is already sterilized. Sterilized, you understand? That sterilization means what? Free from germs. Now bottle is done free from germs by keeping boiling water, or by keeping it in sunlight, or by washing it with some gases. That prevents the growth of microorganisms that is used. Now bottle is sterilized, that is bottle is done free from microorganisms. Then cooked food items is placed, that is Chyawanprash or Horlicks, it is are placed in that sterilized bottle, and then it is sealed. Sealed means what? It is free from air. Then air is removed. Air is removed and there is a covering. If you open the Chyawanprash bottle or Horlicks bottle, you see a layer that is sealed, and you tear that covering that is sealed, that is you make it unsealed, and then you use. There is a aluminum foil or any other metal foil is placed on the Chyawanprash or Horlicks. You open the cover and then it remove it, and then you use that Horlicks or Chyawanprash. Now this is the sealing. Now canning means you have understood that cooking and sealing. Sealing means you understood. Sealing, what is sealing? So sealing is done by any foil. To first there should be no air present, and then it is in vacuum, it is packed with some metal foil, then cover is used. Now this is the sealing. Bottling, you know that prepared cooked food is placed in sterilized bottle. Sterilized means, understand you, that is that bottle is free from germs. Understand? Now rest pasteurization, refrigeration and vacuum packing. Next day I will teach you.